Struggling with stuttering, freezing, or FPS drops in Sifu? You're not alone. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll share tested solutions that actually fix these issues and get your game running smoothly. These performance problems can ruin the immersive experience of Sifu, but don't worry, we've got solutions to fix them for good. Start with the basics. Update your graphics drivers. Here's how. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Install them and restart your PC. Outdated drivers are often the root cause of performance issues, so this is a critical first step. If this doesn't solve the problem, no worries. Let's dive into the next fix. Solution 2. Optimize in-game settings. Tweaking your in-game settings can make a huge difference. Follow these steps. Open Sifu and go to Settings. Lower the resolution scale to 90% or below. Set shadows and post-processing to low. Turn off motion blur and VSYNC. These adjustments reduce the strain on your system, leading to smoother gameplay. Corrupted or missing game files can cause stuttering and freezing. To fix this, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Sifu and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will repair any broken files automatically. Still experiencing lag? Don't give up yet. The next fix might be your game changer. Solution 4. Adjust power settings. Your PC's power plan could be holding you back. Here's how to optimize it. Press Windows plus R. Type powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Select High Performance or Ultimate Performance if available. This ensures your PC prioritizes performance over energy savings. Background apps can hog system resources and cause FPS drops. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and end tasks for unnecessary programs. Disable startup programs by going to the Startup tab and disabling non-essential apps. This frees up resources for Sifu to run more smoothly. And there you have it. These fixes should help you eliminate stuttering, freezing, and lag in Sifu. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Got another issue? Let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless gaming experience.